I would check the inside of the tent. You guys, it has been closed up. Look at how dirty everything is. Holy moly. So Johnny used my hat to round off or mark off the corner so that I don't kill myself getting in and out of my driver's chair when it's turned around. Everybody, so you saw Paul on the last video, and he's brave. He came back to help today. Thank you, Paul. And this is Patty. She's going to be helping too. Johnny, you're all set.
I am set. I got good help.
You do.
I hang out with good people.
You do hang out with good people. And Jana is starting to clean out from the 5 feet of dust in the tent.
I know, right?
And Bandit says, thank you. I love my toys. I love my toys. Oh, goodness. So today is Patty's birthday. And what is she doing? She's here helping us clean out that mess in the tent. What a birthday gift for you. Thank you, Patty. Looky there, looky there. Woo! Y'all find another home?
Yes. Oh, Bandit's chasing that orange. Get it.
Get that orange, Bandit.
Get it.
What you doing, Bando? You trying to eat an orange?
Sammy and I were trying to stay out of the wind.
I don't blame you. The wind and the dust is really starting to get to me. So I think I'm going to have to come over here on this side of Jenna's rig out of the wind. And I just hate that because it means that I'm not there to help. But I don't have anywhere else to go to get out of this. And I'm starting to get symptomatic. And of course it started raining. So we had to scramble to get everything inside the tent. And thank you, Jenna, once again.
It's freezing and it's raining and it's cold.
And they're out here cutting boards.
And windy. And dusty.
It's amazing. Just unbelievable. Johnny is still out there cutting. Unbelievable. So I'm inside Jenna's rig for a little bit and I want to wrap this up. Hi, Bubby. And I have to remember that even if my stuff gets ruined, it all got ruined in 2015. And hi, baby. And even if it does, I'll be fine. It's just stuff, and nobody can predict this weather. The rain wasn't supposed to be like, it's only like 10%, but it's still raining out there. And my main thing is I can't track everything, and there's so much happening, but it's all good. You know, I hope you go watch those older videos. And in my book, How Being a Nomad Saved My Life, I talk about that first dust storm that I was in 2015, where I was sitting outside with Sue Ann, and she was reading, and I'm like, the mountains are disappearing. It must be a lot of haze coming in from California. And she looked up and said, that's not haze, it's a dust storm, and we've got less than 5 minutes to take cover and cover everything up and close all your vents. And you'll have to go read that in my story if you haven't already. So I'm gonna gather myself, finish up this video, and then sit quietly for a little bit and then go see what they need. And when you see the rest of the videos, it will be about the new countertop, and you'll see that it all will work out just fine, right, Bando? Okay, they finished up with the work for today, and Jana is putting my heater on the platform. I slept with it on the cabinet last night, but that made me really nervous. So she's putting it on the platform, and we will finish everything up tomorrow. So wow, what a day. I cannot believe the wind and the rain and everything. And we're getting there.